It's winter here in Minnesota. Why am I thinking about doing my roof now? Because I got the materials dropped off. Now, it's yet to be determined whether it's worth it to get really cheap materials if you have to deal with 40-foot pieces when you only need 14. That's just one of many things that have yet to be determined. But I wanted to match a garage, so that's what I'm going with. Other challenges, I still haven't figured out how to do a vented ridge yet. On the house, that's for the garage and the house. The house, I also haven't figured out how to do the closures on the valley, what's called the A-frames, or the A's. Got some things to figure out, but first we got to get it unloaded, and it's above zero, I think, but not much.